Sane.
I really like his smile. When he smiles, I feel like I should have a brother like him who is so nice, so respectful, so calm, and also very friendly with others. I have seen him standing out with friends, helping one another. So thank you, Sanish, to be the part of the session. I wish to get more. The next certificate is for the student who is the best friend of another student. He is so naughty. In the starting, he was so naughty, but later on, I don't know what happened to that boy who changed his personality completely. He became responsible. All of a sudden, it is my observation. That student is also knowledgeable, very participative, and he teases his best friend. Let me give you more hint. He is very naughty and he is doing something which he has to take forcefully. He is doing something which he had to take forcefully because his friend forced him in the school time. Let's clap for him. He was not responsible in the starting. He used to do naughty things. But what happened to you later on? You transformed yourself.
I give tuition.
You gave tuition. Yes. Click a very nice picture. Lipstick will come on the face of.
Remove your hair, bro.
He did not make hairstyle.
He is Jabra.
When it comes to lead the class, he is so good at leading. Now, the next boy of the session who is very silent but very respectful and skilled. He knows his work so well, and I usually take his help to do something related to his work only. I have never found him being disrespectful. He is shy. He is shy. He does not want to speak much in the class, but outside he is too active in his class.
Vishnu.
Think more, everybody. He is skilled at his work. He is religious as well.
Azim.
He is also very kind and so polite with others.
Azim.
Let's clap for Azim. Is he not responsible? Is he not respected? I think he does his own work, right? You know his work. Boy, bring your parents. But he never brought his parents.
Go.
But one thing that is, he is scared sometimes by me. When I'm calling his parents, he's like, no ma'am, I will bring parents. He is knowledgeable. He is also able to understand the thing. But I don't know what happens to him. He doesn't participate. Why does this happen? Rehan, tell everybody the reason behind your silent.
I have to
Why do you not participate? Let's click this one only. I need to unlock it many times. Boy of the class who is the friend of another boy who is very tall and also very responsible. Plus, he is so respectful towards everybody in the class, very friendly, and he cracks jokes and keeps insulting his own friend.
He's handsome. Mas, can you back? Yes, like that.
Mas, now you can freely enjoy your life. Take leave. I will not disturb you. Yes.
I am not disrespecting my friend. It's my love towards my friend.
Yes, Yes, we know that. Shivam is very much regular, punctual, and also responsible. I gave him laptop responsibility, and I was without any stress. I was doing the thing because I know Shivam is there to help and handle the laptop responsibility. I wish to Thank you, Shiva. Congratulations once again. Next one. Who is our future journalist? Rohan, please come. Next, let's call the artist of the session.
Preeti.
Yes, Preeti.
Go.
Everybody knows about Preeti. That
Yes.
she is artist. We have seen her art yesterday.
That's
Okay, next one. Very cute and very naughty. On the other hand, very respectful. And in the starting, he was dependent on his friend. But when I did discontinuous, his friend Yes,
Go ahead,
so
go.
let's clap for Rohit. Rohit, come this way. So, the next one of my favorites and knowledgeable. He has huge love and respect towards our country and wants to contribute for the country.
Meet. Come.
Let's clap for Meet.
Go, bro. Can you see?
Our youngest boy of the class.
Ankit.
Youngest boy, Ankit.
Ankit.
Ankit can't believe. Ankit, please.
Go, bro.
Ankit is the only youngest boy in the class. Hey, please clap for the boy of the session who has been very friendly, but sometimes he gets angry as well in the session.
T2.
Yes.
Go, bro.
How do you know Rohit? You have seen. Okay, next one. Our one of the most beautiful girls of the session.
Moini.
You know about her. That is Moini. Another favorite of mine. Very responsible, very genuine, very kind, very respectful, and who is my only grammar book.
Go, bro.
Thank you, Sunil. Another shy student of our class.
Vishnu.
Okay, fine. No problem. Congratulations. Another student of the session who is impunctual, irregular, and but he is future best editor.
Once.
Please come. One.
Quickly.
Is this takeover only for every class?
Once, please remove your jacket.
So I asked him to give this thing every week, every month, because you are looking nice today. So the next one, only person left of our batch who is transferred, but he is amazing at English, amazing at giving feedback.
Samir.
And he is also really responsible. So let's clap
Samir.
for Samir, everybody. Samir, finally the journey is ending today. Now you can take freely leave. Certificate is for the girl who is very responsible, very punctual, highly regular, and the beauty of Uttarakhand. Who's that?
Deepa.
And everybody, keep helping one another in all the possible ways. At least you can subscribe to the channel of your friends and help them in this way to just motivate them. Okay? And to
for relief because of my work. You know, I'm facing many problems in my FA journey. You know, I face many problems because of my work, but in FA I feel I'm very comfortable in speaking English after joining FA, and I feel that my confidence towards English and communication is built. So especially thankful to ma'am and whole FA team from my side.